So we've come so far. Now we want to add images to our HTML project. In order to do that, first we need an image, as you know. So I can search for whatever image I'm looking for. So for example, I say UK flag. And as you see, I get many of them. So I want to include one of them inside my web page. So what I do is basically I come choose one, and what I need from that is the link, is the URL to that image. So I right click and click on copy image address. So if I paste the image address and go, as you see, this is what I get. So this URL brings me directly to the image, and I can use it as the URL to that image. So I want to, for example, include this image over here inside my HTML page. In order to do that, I can use the img tag. So img tag, as you see, doesn't have an ending and is just like br and hr. So does not require and does not have an ending tag at all. As you see, it has, and it comes with two attributes. The first one is src, which is the required attribute to any image tag. In src, I can paste the URL that I just copied. And as you see, if I reload, this image is included over here. Now imagine that I do not want an image from the internet or a foreign server. So I want the image to be inside my computer, inside my PC. So let's do that. I say save image as desktop, hello world, and I save it as the flag. Save. So as you see, now I have a flag.webp. It can be anything. It doesn't matter. It can be JPG. It can be PNG. You know what I'm saying? And now I have it inside my Explorer, as you see, inside the folder of my project. And this is another way that I can source different images or objects of my website. I can bring them here inside the project, the folder of the project, and use their name .webp, and that's it. So I will have the same thing over here, but if I right click and click on open image in new tab, as you see, this is loading the image from my own computer. One thing we can do is that we can organize this image. So we can make folders over here and call it images. So it will be about my images only. I can drag this file into the folder. I can move it. And then, as you see, this will not be loaded because this sourcing is not valid anymore. In order to make it valid, we need to include the name of the folder at the beginning of it. So what we basically do whenever we are linking to an object is that we consider that we are in index.html and we tell the code, we tell the src the exact road and the exact address that it needs to take in order to get to the image. Another attribute to the image tag, as you see, is alt. Alt is not necessary, but also very important. As you see, it has an explanation to it. So VS Code says this attribute defines an alternative text description of the image. So where is it used? It basically has two kinds of usage. First one is that if the image is not loaded, is broken, or the for whatever reason, the image is not loaded. So the reason can be that the image is missed inside your server, or the user's internet or anything like that crashes and the image is not loaded, the text you place over here will be shown instead of the image. So we will say the United Kingdom flag. And as you see, nothing is shown over here, but if I change the URL, for example, as you see, this will show the alternative text instead. So this is the first usage of it. Also, for the browsers of people with disabilities or something like that, people that cannot see, the browser will read the alternative text instead of the image itself. Another importance of the alternative text is about SEO and search engine optimization again, because Google and same search engines will index your images, index your website content, index your media, index everything. And whenever they are indexing images from your website, what they will look in order to get the explanation to that image will be this alternative text. So when I search for UK flag, as you see, this is what it shows us. These are images with titles. So where this title comes from is the alternative text that we give our IMG tag. This is another reason that why alternative tag, the alt attribute, is very, very important and necessary. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.